Prime versus Gatorade. Who wins?
All right, we good?
Yeah.
All right, here's the first one.
Don't cheat.
Gatorade. Gatorade for that one. Ugh, Prime. Oh, you could taste a complete difference. First one right there.
That's the first one?
Yep, drink it, and let's see what you think. All right. All right.
The second one's way better. So Prime first.
Correct?
And then Gatorade second.
Yep, you got it. Yeah!
Gatorade's way better.
I know, way better.
When he asks you what the status is, when he asks, are we dating?
I'm trying pickled chips.
All right, here we go. Oh, this is going to be terrible. I am not kidding when I say that is disgusting. Do not get those. But if you like pickles, then you're going to like them. Ugh.
Okay, hey Ryan, do you want your phone back?
Of course I do.
Okay, tell me what is 9 plus 10?
21.
Nope, try again.
13.
Okay, yeah, fine, here you go. Psych!
Oh, no.
I'm gonna try Jamar Chase potato chips.
Here we go. Not bad. I rate it 8 out of 10, but $5 for a bag of potato chips is kind of expensive. Who dey? Prime versus Gatorade. Who wins? All right, we good?
Yeah.
All right, here's the first one.
Don't cheat.
Gatorade. Gatorade for that one. Ugh, Prime. Oh, you could taste a complete difference. First one right there.
That's the first one?
Yep, drink it, and let's see what you think. All right. All right.
The second one's way better. So Prime first.
Correct?
And then Gatorade second.
Yep, you got it. Yeah!
Gatorade's way better.
I know, way better.
Today I'm trying macaroni and cheese gummies. All right, Jay's gonna go first. There's the macaroni gummy. What's it taste like?
Macaroni and cheese. Can I have another? All right, your turn.
All right, here we go.
What do you think?
Phenomenal.
Ooh.
How do you explain this so we can see the red one is bigger than the yellow one, right? So all I will do is just put the red one over the yellow one just like this. And now the yellow one is bigger. Now watch, we'll do it one more time. Let's get this out of the way. Watch, I'll literally take the red one, place it right here, and now the red one is bigger. Can anybody explain that? Is it possible to open one of these? Today we're gonna find out. First of all, we're gonna put it under a chair and see if it pops. Okay, it's not popping. Next up, we're gonna throw it in the air. Still not popping. Now we're gonna throw it out the window. Still not popping. Now let's drop a rock on it. Oh, still not popping. I give up.
Come on.
Ooh. Oh. Ooh.
Ew, I was waiting for
Come on.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, no!
Ooh.
What is that?
I'll take that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, yes! 3, 2,
Ooh.
Don't pop the balloon. It might seem simple, but all you have to do is not pop the balloon. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ooh, okay. Oh man. All right. Oh, okay. Last one. Oh.
Ooh. Okay.
Here we go. No. Oh my.
Yeah.
Yes. No.
That's a hard one. Nope.
I'm gonna solve this cube so fast that you won't even see it happen. Ready? Watch. Bang. It's now solved.
Does that actually work? Let's find out. Okay, throw up the Rubik's Cube and then it... What the... Is this cake or fake? Let's find out. This is about to be so satisfying. Let's see, is this cake or fake? 3, 2... Oh, it's a cake! We'll give you $1,000 if you could blow that bottle cap into the bottle without touching the bottle.
Okay.
Nope. Oh, there's one. Come on, you almost got this. Oh, there's two. One more. Oh, no!
I'll take that. Here, I'll give you 100 just for helping me.
Oh,
there you go.
what's that go by?
Here's how to put blinker fluid in a Tesla. After you have the front trunk open, you want to lift this open right here and then unscrew the blinker fluid. You only want to do a little bit at a time. You don't want to pour it all in or it will overspill. Couple more. And now we're good to go.
Can anybody explain this? So watch, I take this red ball, put the red ball in the cup, and then I turn the cup upside down. So now I put this on top, snap my fingers, and look, just like that, there's a red ball. Now I put it back on, snap my fingers, and then look, there it is. Now I open this up, and there's a red ball. How does that work?
Oh!
Oh! 1, 2,
Ooh,
3.
that's so close.
Look how satisfying this is. So it's sand, right? But look, the sand is squishy. That is so weird.
Mackenzie, hit or miss?
Hit.
All right, here you go. Oh, hit! Oh, and a miss. Hey, Mackenzie, hit or miss?
Hit.
All right, here we go. Oh, hit! Hey, man, where you at?
I'm at the castle. Where are you?
I'm at the castle. I am on the left side of the castle.
I'm on the left side too. I don't see you.
Are you sure you're here? I don't see you around here. It's been about 10 minutes.
On the left side.
Are you at Disneyland or Disney World? There's two different ones.
I'm at Disney World in Orlando, Florida.
Oh my gosh. I will give you $100 if you can make it through all of these rocks without slipping. And you have to have a brick on your head.
Uh-oh. Good luck.
Go. All right. Steady start. Steady. Balance is key. Balance is key. You're over half. Almost there. You got 3 more. 3 more. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. 2 more. Uh-oh. And boom! There you go. Is this cake or fake? Let's find out. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. It's a cake. How cool is that? Okay, so this is the A game. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, I win! I win!
It didn't crack. It didn't crack.
Okay. Ready?
Faster.
Oh! Are you ready?
Yep. Faster.
Go!
Oh, you lost.
No! How long does it take to break the new iPhone 14? We're gonna find out. See how long it takes to break it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, it is completely broken. No way. My iPhone 14 Pro Max is completely broken. Name 5 holidays for $100.
Easter.
Okay, 1.
Halloween.
There's 2.
Christmas.
3.
Thanksgiving.
4.
New Year's.
5. Yeah! Here we go, cake or fake. Let's see here. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it is real. Oh my gosh. That is cake. Look how decorative and so colorful that cake is. Yummy. Hey Jay, guess the object. Okay. Guess the object. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4,
That's easy.
3.
Mr. Potato Head.
Oh! Hey Jay, guess the object.
Ooh!
No!
Uh-oh. Oh, nothing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nothing either.
Rachel, hit or miss?
Hit or miss?
Yeah. Ow! Ow! It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh! Sweet or sour? Oh, what is it?
It's so good and sweet.
Hey, rate the magic trick. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's a 10 out of 10.
Rate the magic trick.
Ooh, you're pretty good at that. Oh, that is a -5 out of 10.
Okay, rate the magic trick.
Ooh, that's a 10 out of 10. That deserves a 5.
Let's go! This is money soap. Let's see if I can win any money. Here we go. Oh my gosh! We are almost there. Let's see what we get. What is this? What is this? Can't see. What is it? Oh, it's a $2 bill! What's inside this little rubber ASMR ball? Let's see here. So if you squeeze it, you can see it's got some Orbeez in it right there. And then it's got little tiny Orbeez, the white ones right there. Pretty cool, and it's satisfying, and it's like ASMR. Here's the only thing I hate about my Tesla. Since it's a little cold out, the charger does take a little while to charge. You can see it's on 19%, and you can see the little snowflake right there, but it's only 48 degrees. Below 32 is freezing, so that's kind of weird, but hey, it's charging. It's a win-win. It'll be at 5 hours. It'll be done, and now I'm home for the day, and now it's time to go to bed. Oh! Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ah, yes!
Funny face.
Ah! Fake tongue prank.
What did you do? How'd you do that? Oh, man,
Gotcha!
I was trying to prank me, man. What's wrong? I'm taking this. How do your pranks around here?
Ow! I got this delicious donut here now. Is this donut cake or fake? Let's find out. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it's fake. It looks so real. Hey, prank it up. Hey, prank it up.
What's up?
What would you trade for this Charmander Pokemon card?
AirPods.
Okay, deal. All right, thank you. Hey, Jay. What would you trade for these AirPods?
How about a treasure chest I found?
Okay, what's in there?
You're gonna have to see. Don't open till you get home.
He scammed me. Oh my gosh! 1, 2, 3, 4 for $10,000!